Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we begin with this tutorial, I would request you to watch my previous video because these are linked, and also do not forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's begin. So this video is all about to correct a deformity that was in the previous filter that we made. So when you combine the LUT and the face mesh, you will see that there will be a fine line between that. So in order to remove that line, we'll first go to the face tracker and we are going to add a face mesh. So here I am going to add a face mesh, and after that I am simply going to the material. So I'm going to click on the material and I'm going to create a new material, and I'm going to rename that material. So I'm renaming it as mood 2, and after that I'm simply going to the shader type and changing it to flat. So after that I'm going to create a patch by clicking on the arrow next to the texture, and I'm going to connect that patch input with the one color LUT input that we used in the previous video as well. And I have connected these. After connecting these, I can see that I'm simply going to the alpha section, and I'm going to tick the alpha, and I'm going to export one face mesh png file which was there in the resources folder that I shared last time. I'm going to drag that. I'm going to use this. I'm going to click on the no compression. So you always click to the no compression, even for the LUT that we used last time. I'm going to click on no compression. After that I'm going to the alpha that we just ticked mark. I'm going to select a texture which will be the face mesh png file that we just dragged. I'm going to select that, and yes, we can see that now there is no deformity, there's no thin line forming at the chin area. So it is almost done now, and in order to check how my filter looks on my phone, I either can go to the Facebook camera or I can send it to the Instagram camera and check how my filter actually looks on the phone. So this is it guys. I will be back with another tutorial which will be really fun, but before that please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.